Oh my gosh, the Edge took that one. The Edge took that one. Should we go one more time for good measure? Hey, what is up, guys? John here at Tekmogo. Today we've got the Motorola Edge 2023 here on the left and the Google Pixel 7a on the right. We're going to pit these two phones up against each other in a speed test. Starting out with a boot up in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, the Pixel lit up first. But let's see if it can get to the actual desktop before the Motorola. Now the Pixel 7a came out, oh there it is, super quick. Now this phone came out, the Pixel 7a came out, I think it was April of last year or May. And the Edge 2023 came out last October, so not even a year yet. But these phones are very similar. The Motorola, when it first released, it was coming in at $599, and the 7a was $499. Now you can get both of these at a really steep discount. The Pixel 7a coming in at around $330, and the Edge 2023 at $299. So again, the 7a takes the boot up test, but the Motorola was not too far behind. All right, guys, while we're here, let's try the face unlock in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, look to be a tie there. Again. Ooh, I think the Pixel 7a took that by a hair. Let's try it again one more time. And I think that was a tie, guys. So very similar in face unlock. And let's just do some scrolling real quick. Here we are with Google Chrome. 144 hertz refresh rate on the Motorola Edge 2023 and 90 hertz on the Pixel 7a. But it's not bad. I mean, you really can't tell the difference. I mean, I can't, but some people probably can. But they're both pretty smooth. Actually, yeah, no, I can tell. The Edge is a lot smoother, guys. With 144 hertz, it's super smooth. Let's open up the Play Store in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's my bad. I missed it. Let's make sure no apps are open. All right, the Play Store in 3, 2, 1. The Edge took that. Let's do that again. The Play Store in 3, 2, 1. I think it's a tie, guys. I think it's a tie. What is this, though? So what do you guys think? Was that a tie? Let me know in the comments. Let's do that one more time, though. The Play Store in 3, 2, 1. I think the Edge took it that time. I think the Edge took it. So the Pixel 7a has the Google Tensor G2 chipset, and the Edge has a MediaTek Dimensity, and that is the 7030. Antutu score on this, I think it was a little over 5,000. Let me see if I still have it saved. Did I say 5,000? 500,000. There it goes. 514,253 on the Antutu score on the Edge. So right in the middle, and let's see if I have it still saved. On the 7a, and 843,409 on the 7a. So quite a bit stronger as far as chipset goes, but as you can see, day-to-day activities like scrolling through the phone here, opening some of the apps, pretty similar. Let's see what we got. Let's do YouTube. Oops, got a plane flying by. All right, YouTube in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, the 7a I think took that. It looked like the Edge was going to take it, but Last second, it popped up first on the 7A. If I'm wrong though, let me know in the comments, guys. Sometimes it just pops up so quick, and I'm looking on at one phone, I totally missed the other. But here we go, one more time. YouTube in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, the Edge took it that time. So one apiece. So we got to go one more time. We got to do it one more time. So make sure it's not open. All right, no. That's good. So here we go. YouTube in 3, 2, 1. The Edge wins. The Edge takes it. So as you can see, Antutu score isn't everything. Let's see what else we got here. Let's open up a game. I think I got Subway Surfer on both of these. Subway Surfer. There we go. Subway Surfer in 3, 2, 1. Ooh. That was the Edge, guys. So let's get a quick game going. No problem playing this game on these phones. Super smooth. I'm gonna run into this. Play it on this one. And you guys probably can't hear the sound, but sound is excellent between these two phones. And again, gaming, playing this type of games, no problem on either phones. Yeah. So no problem. So these type of games, no problem for either phone. And they both play it well. Sound quality is both really good on both of these phones. Let's see what else we've got. One thing that's a big difference between these two phones is if you are into photography, definitely go with 7A. It's got a way better camera system, I feel. Not that the Edge is bad or anything like that. It's just this one just has more features, and I just overall the quality or the, I guess, the picture profile I like more on the 7A. Turn this up just a tad bit. But one thing on the 7A is that I don't really like is that it doesn't really get bright enough to match like the brightness of the Edge 2023 right now. I got to be like at, let's just call that 75%, and this is like 45% brightness to match the brightness. So yeah, the 7A doesn't get as bright as the Edge 2023. I wish this one got a little brighter. See what else we've got. Let's open up another game. Let's go with Asphalt. In 3, 2, ooh, man, John, doing my bad. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Man, looking at the camera, the two screens are freaking awesome. They're super vibrant. So the 7A takes that. Again, the processing power on the 7A is quite a bit higher. But if you can hear that the sound quality on the Edge is very nice. And both of these, I think actually, both of these are actually IP, no. The Edge is IP68, and the 7A is IP67. So both are really well built. Aluminum frames on both the phones, plastic back on the 7A, and we got a nice vegan leather on the Edge. It's very soft to the touch. It's very nice. One thing though is that because it has the curved edges, there's a lot of phantom touches. So that's something to think about if you're going to go with these phones. But again, this one is $299, and it's got so many nice features. It's got great audio. And this one, again, the 7A is coming in at right around $330. The last time I saw it, both of these guys are on sale. Or that's probably going to be their normal price now, since we've got the new models out already. There's the 8A, and then there's the Edge 2024 for Motorola. But both excellent phones. Let's see what we can open up. Where's Disney Plus? Let's go Disney Plus. All right, let's try opening up Disney Plus. We got Disney Plus there. Disney Plus right there. Disney Plus. All right, guys. In 3, 2, 1. I think that was a tie, guys. A little notification popped up on the Edge, but I think they were both loaded up and right around the same time. Let's do that again. Disney Plus in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, the 7A took that one. We got to try one more time. They are extremely close. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, the Edge took that one. The Edge took that one. Should we go one more time for good measure? All right, let's do that one more time. All right, in 3, 2, 1. Man, that was a tie. I'm calling it a tie. I thought the 7A was going to take that, but that's going to be a tie. I'm calling it a tie. So guys, excellent phones, mid-tier phones. I mean, they do it all, guys. They do everything quite well. They're both well built. They both won't break the bank. But one thing to think about though, because they are, I mean, they're about a year old, each of these. And software support on the Motorola Edge, you're going to get 2 major software updates. So it's going to be, this came with Android 13. So you're going to get 14 and 15 on the Edge. And you're going to get 3 years of security updates. So that's going to be until 2026. And with the 7A, you get 3 years of software support and 4 years of security. So you're going to get, it came in with Android 13. You're going to get 14, 15, and 16. And then security updates until 2027. So something to think about if you're looking at either of these phones. They both have their good and bads. I think they do things really well, kind of like a jack of all trades. Nothing really, they don't really excel at one thing, but they get the job done.